Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the wind speed units in the Flightradar24 app on your phone. Whether you prefer knots, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, or meters per second, you will learn how to make the switch quickly and easily. First, open the Flightradar24 app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the Settings icon. Then select the MISC tab from the list of options. After that, continue scrolling until you see the wind speed option. Next to it, you will notice a small menu indicating the current unit of measurement. Then tap on the menu and choose the unit you prefer. You can select between knots, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, or meters per second. Once you make your selection, the app will immediately display wind speeds in the unit you chose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.